Hi, I'm Joe with Avatar Contractor, a friendly, family-owned and state-licensed remodeling company here in Metro Atlanta. No one can remodel your kitchen for a more reasonable price with our quality standards. To begin, we sit down with you and make sure there is a clear vision and budget for your remodel project. Our designers make sure you have the space you need with the amenities and updated look you want. Once we have an estimate, we discuss the details with you to make sure everything is described as per your request. After all of that is established, the demo begins. We take out old cabinets and countertops, remove or build up walls, and accommodate the space and layout to build the kitchen of your dreams. When the layout is ready and the mechanical is done, we start with the installation of your new floor, cabinets, granite, and backsplash, making sure we are doing professional work in every step of the process. Once the core of the kitchen is in place, the next step is fixtures installation, final touch-out, and professional cleaning. Your kitchen remodel project is complete. Hiring a company with experience in kitchen remodel is essential to have an outstanding, successful kitchen. Here at Avatar Contractor, we have many projects in our portfolio, proving our track record in the industry from partial to full kitchen remodel in Metro Atlanta, where you can appreciate the quality of work performed by our team. Give us a call today and allow us to become the contractor for your kitchen remodeling project. Don't wait, call now, and thank you for choosing Avatar Contractor.